Hi everyone! I'm here to introduce Lenovo ThinkVision all-in-one display solution for corporate business, designed to adapt to modern meeting room. Our large format display is designed with narrow bezels and raven black color, mirroring the ThinkVision gene. You will find versatile port selection with some ports located in the front and even more options neatly hidden on the bottom and side. Turn on the display. An exclusive Lenovo design launcher appears. This simplistic interface allows users to access frequently used applications and network settings. There is also a hidden sidebar to access annotation, task switcher, video source, and smart tools. All applications will appear when clicking on the bottom of the screen. Our ThinkVision large format display is embedded with a powerful Android computing system that supports complex applications like video conferencing to run smoothly without freezing. In the medium or large size meeting room, fumbling with the equipment or trying to switch signal source from far away may be troublesome and may disrupt the flow of your whole presentation. ThinkVision offers a smarter way to get your devices connected to our large format display with Lenovo patented wireless dongle. After pairing is complete, connect the wireless dongle to your smart devices. Choose the display mode from a pop-up menu. Then turn on wireless projection with one click. Without needing to install any software, this wireless casting solution can match different devices for seamless content playback. You can touch the screen to control the flow of the presentation or make annotations. And this two-way sync facilitates a perfect meeting experience. You might want to write down great ideas during discussions, but realize that one physical whiteboard just isn't enough. To solve this problem, the ThinkVision large format display offers a smarter solution for brainstorming. It delivers pen-on-paper writing experience, whether with finger touch or stylus pen. The writing experience is exceptionally satisfying and smooth. You don't need to stop writing to make adjustments. Instead, use touchscreen gestures to erase, select, and backspace with ease. In addition, the Smart Toolbar provides an ergonomic writing experience. The bottom toolbar and simplified toolbar will always follow you around, making it easier to click and adjust. This especially benefits large-size display users, and you will never have to struggle to find the right tools. You can use the infinite canvas to write down as many ideas as you want, and it's perfectly easy to move, zoom in, and zoom out of the canvas. You won't get lost in lots of handwriting, as there is a navigation window to help control and find the right content. The playback function is there to help recap the thought process or restore deleted content. In addition, wireless projection can be enabled while you are using whiteboard application. You won't need to compromise between demonstration and annotation, as the ThinkVision Smart Whiteboard perfectly combines these two functions. Achieve next-level efficiency while presenting and writing down key points simultaneously. Insert pictures or web pages, and they can be shown as windows on the whiteboard for you to browse, while also making notes in the blank space. You may also be concerned about poor video quality or lack of adjustability. Lenovo never compromises on offering industry-leading solutions to fulfill every user need. Our all-in-one solution includes a 4K detachable camera and a built-in microphone array. This piece of tech is not only great at capturing video and audio with clarity, but also adjustable to fit perfectly in any meeting room. Taking it one step further, once the speaker's voice is tracked, the system will then automatically zoom in and reposition the frame with the speaker's face at the center. You can explore new ways to collaborate remotely, as our technology makes the virtual meeting experience feel just like in-person face-to-face communication. Meeting Room set the scene for collaboration projects, and ThinkVision large format display has everything to make your work more efficient and seamless. With ThinkVision all-in-one meeting room solutions, you will be well equipped with the best possible tool to achieve an effective collaboration experience.